As you pull up, you will see the pride in home ownership in the lawn and well-maintained fruit trees. Nice level yard makes for easy maintenance, so you can enjoy all that this home has to offer. The detached garage and canopy offers plenty of protected parking and storage space. Sprawling deck with spa room and jetted tub provide year-round relaxation and rejuvenation. Huge deck with built-in seating is built to entertain. The stairs leading to the unfinished upper level of the garage and side view of the deck and spa room. Ample counter and cabinet space are just a few things that make this eat-in kitchen great. Built-in bar with sink and mirror adds to the entertainability of this home. Just off the kitchen and bar area is a nice-sized living room. Front door and entry to family room. Well thought out family room with place for the TV and plenty of seating. Formal dining room with built-in hutch for storing extra place settings and extra kitchen gadgets. Looking to the family room from the dining room. Master bedroom boasts plenty of room and afternoon sunlight boasts tons of storage space in the large walk-in closet. Master bath with large soaking tub. Jack and Jill sink with tons of storage. This bathroom keeps the luxury theme seen throughout the rest of this charming home. Corner shower in the master bath rounds out the full list of features found in this Hood Canal home. This second bedroom features lots of closet space and room for 2 twin-sized beds. Nice-sized bedroom with plenty of room and natural light. This bonus room with built-in desk offers a multitude of options for uses. Large closet with an abundance of storage in corner. Lots of usable space and endless possibilities. Guest bath with vanity and newer LVP flooring. Guest bath features tub/shower.